This is a brief video demonstrating a Western Electric coin trunk with a 1D2 telephone. The trunk has been modified so that I can use touch-tone phones and rotary phones. These trunks were generally only rotary because your step office is rotary, and most of them that was installed never had touch-tone in the building. So I would go off hook and I would dial my spatial access selector so you can hear it on the background of the paging system, and then I would dial my time of day recording, and then we will hang up. I'm depositing a coin.
Trouble on your line? Dial 611 for repair service on your residence phones. The time is 4:16. Dial toll calls yourself and save, especially during daily discount periods. The time is 4:17.
I just received my coin back in the payphone because the time of day does not reverse the battery, so as far as the coin trunk is concerned, the call was not answered.